Hello, Year 12 and Year 13. Welcome back to the start of Trinity term. I'm so glad to have you with us once again. I know it must have been a difficult Easter break. It's such strange conditions for us all to be working with, and I hope you have all been able to look after yourselves and keep mentally well, physically well, and that you are certainly using the parks of London to get your hours recreation and a break from house routines. I suppose that what I will say is actually I'll address Year 13 first on their specific issues and then turn to Year 12 if you wouldn't mind. For Year 13, sorry. You know by now that we are offering you the enrichment timetable. That is up and running. Thank you for bearing with it this week. We are making changes if you want to be in different groupings for next week. And at the end of this week, we will also send you out a survey form to collect ideas for other things that you would like to have lectures on. I know that the old prefect group have already raised with me the idea of finances and what happens in clearing, and other UCAS questions could be one of the lectures. And we're certainly looking for other ideas. So there will be a form for you to edit and put more ideas on so that we can get those going in the second 2 weeks of the 4 weeks that you are with us. You will also by now will have chosen whether or not to do extra assessments or not. And as you know, those will take place on the 4 dates in May. And by this weekend, you should know what the nature of those papers are, ready for the first set of tests on Friday, the 1st of May. And so that's up and running. I hope you are all able to make the registration period, which has changed to 1350 to 1400 each day, and that you're having some face-to-face time with your tutor. That's a really vital time, one, for us to know that you're okay, but two, so that you can just pass back and forth any messages that you need to hear, and also it's a chance for you to meet as a group. So thanks very much with that. As we've said repeatedly, if we get chance to all be back together again, then we will want to run your summer ball or have a get together for a final awards giving day, which will certainly happen. We will try and make happen in September if we can't do it before then. I would like to turn to the Album Exorner Award. The levels of application were excellent. We had a tough time sorting through the different options, but in the end, we have decided to give it to Tom Cleverly Lynch, who wrote an absolutely fabulous, heartfelt description of what he'd learned in the school, what he'd taken from the school, and what he wants to continue to give back in the future years as he leaves this place. So well done, Tom. Congratulations. It was super amongst a very strong field. And now turning to Year 12. Hello, Year 12. So glad to have you back. You now have an equally tough time ahead of you, in the sense that you have to balance being at home, continuing your studies, which I believe we are trying to offer you 100% of your timetable interactively. And the reason for that is, when we do come back, which I'm hoping will be the beginning of June after the half term, that we will start to prepare you for end of year exams. Those end of year exams in Year 12 are very important. They become a benchmark for how we start to assess you in UCAS predicted grades that would go forward to universities, and they tell us where you stand in terms of your achievement. We ask all of you to reach a CCC threshold by the end of the year and in end of year exams, in order that you can then go forward automatically into year 13 and cope with the material there. And so it is very important that you continue to maintain your academic work and routines particularly. It's very difficult. You know, one of the things that happens when we're on holiday is that you all, of course, break all of our habits and routines. We sleep in longer, we keep different hours, and we don't have to keep our work habits. But now, and usually when you come back into school, the routines are there are set for you. But what you all have to concentrate on now, okay, so school is back on, and I need to go back into quite strict routines. Obviously, we've changed the day to try and make that a little easier for you. You also have to have registration period in the afternoon now, not in the mornings, and period 5 moves to 2:05. in the day, school finishing at 3 o'clock. Forder has just been reorganized and reset and will start Monday next week. I believe you had details from Mr. Gower for that. So please do be part of Forder. And as part of those routines of study, I would recommend that you as far as you're able, to keep a desk with the correct writing materials and electronica that you need. Start creating a filing system, I mean an index filing system, so that you know where to put things. Obviously, lessons should be recorded by your teachers, and remember that they are saved to the team sites, and that should be helpful as a reference point. But also, try and I will try and remind staff of that, is, you know, try to have face-to-face conversations. I know you have the option of like turning your cameras off, but I am going to suggest to staff as far as possible that they do one-to-one with you, because I just feel this adds a human contact point to all of our lives when we are stuck in the boxes of our homes. So yes, so it's important you get back up on that. If you have any concerns, obviously Miss Rich is there as a contact point as your head of year, and both Miss Rich and Mr. Scambler in year 13 will be sending hello videos much like this at the beginning of each week, just to keep you updated with various sorts of things. I would also like to announce that we have appointed the year 12 prefects, who are now the full prefects throughout this Trinity term and into year 13. And those people are the following, in no particular order. Well, in no particular order is what I was going to say, but it's in alphabetical order. So please congratulate Akil Mushtaq, Denise Spiegler, Ethan Chalk, Evie Witherall, Florence Lee, Issa Rahman, Joshua Penfold, Winita Bradley, Leo Trenton, Lily Reed-Smith, Lola Mitchell, Lucia Lalana, Maina Dias, Natalie Bloomer, Piotr Berder Zwolinski, Quincy Young, Taryn Sirin-Vasan, and Zain Shukur. So well done to them. It was such a tough process for them to go through, and I'm sure they will make a great set of prefects. Their roles, their specific roles, we will let you know in forthcoming weeks. So the sun is shining, everybody. I hope you get used to the new routines. I hope to have you back in the college with us. It will be a great relief when that happens. And I will send out an assembly message like this one in weeks 3 and 5 as well on a Thursday, and heads of year will do at the beginning of each week, as I say. So I hope do keep well, and write to Form Tutors if there are any pastoral problems or academic problems we need to know about, and we will keep in touch like that. And I wish you all the best. Cheerio. Bye-bye.